In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Docs to your desktop so it looks and works just like Microsoft Word. Before we dive in, make sure you have the Google Chrome browser installed on your computer. This process will primarily be using Chrome, so it's important to have that ready to go. If you're all set, let's get started. Begin by launching the Google Chrome browser on your computer. If it hasn't opened to the Google homepage automatically, don't worry. Simply type google.com into the address bar at the top of the browser window and hit enter. You should now see the familiar Google homepage. Now, as you look towards the top right-hand corner of your Google Chrome browser, you'll notice a small icon. It's a dotted square, and it represents the Google Apps menu. Go ahead and click on that icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Docs. This will open Google Docs in a new tab, bringing you one step closer to having that handy desktop shortcut. Next, draw your attention to the very top right corner of your Chrome browser window once more. This time, you'll see 3 horizontal dots that form a small menu button. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. Within this menu, find and select the option that says Cast, Save, and Share. From there, you'll want to choose Create Shortcut. At this point, a small window will appear, prompting you to name your shortcut. You have the flexibility here to give it any name you'd like or stick with the default name, which is Google Docs. Once you've decided, go ahead and click the Create button to finalize this action. Now navigate back to your desktop, and you should see a fresh new icon for Google Docs placed there. Just like Microsoft Word, you can open it with a double click, providing easy and quick access to Google Docs from your computer desktop anytime you need it. And that's it. You've successfully added Google Docs to your desktop, giving you that seamless and familiar experience reminiscent of Microsoft Word. Now, whenever you want to open Google Docs directly from your desktop, you can do so effortlessly. I hope you found this walkthrough clear and helpful. This little trick can really enhance your workflow if you frequently use Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the convenience of having Google Docs readily available right on your desktop.